Hey guys, what's going on? Shaquan here, and I am here to talk about. Oh, y'all gotta stand my shirt, but it's okay. I'm here to talk about a potential trade on pound USD. So rock with me. All right. So I'm using two different charts. I'm using a 7-day chart and I'm using a 24-hour chart. Um, my schedule's getting a little bit more busy this time around of the year. I was just recently scalping the market. I'm still scalping the market, but because of my schedule in the morning, I can't be on how I used to the past previous 2 months. But that's not a bad thing. Okay. So what I'm doing is now I have to kind of right now look at potential swing trading opportunities, short-term swing trading opportunities, because I'm not, let me be careful with my words. I'm not looking to hold my trades, but I'll hold my trades if I have to for right now. Just with my schedule getting a little bit more hectic right now. So boom, boom, boom. Pound USD, 7-day chart, 24-hour chart. The week before last, price closed bullish on pound USD. And we can see the evidence on the 24-hour chart where price made a low, a lower high, lower low. That's this bearish candlestick. And then boom, price just went up for the next previous 7 days. That's this candlestick right here. And this candlestick right here, I think this one's actually still open too. We've gotten a significant drop, right? So we can see in the market what's actually happening in current day, present day time, where we have a lower high, lower low. Now we have a higher high situation. However, this is the however part, the momentum of pound USD is actually bearish. You can see that ever since we passed this lower low, sorry, this higher low here at 1.25900, price has just been on a downtrend, right? And we can really see that if we come over here to the daily, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, we got nice volatility, high volatility. Then now we're starting to get a pullback and retracement. The thing that we have to question right now is, what type of trader am I? Am I the type of trader who's going to go against this bearish trend as a counter trend trader? And what would that look like? Here's what this would look like, because this is where kind of my territory just a little bit comes in that. And these, I wouldn't say this is a low risk trade. I would say it's a medium risk trade. Only in all because we're going against the bearish trend that's overall, right? So right now, what could happen? And this is just potential, because we don't know the outcome, and it's potential that could actually work out. Price could get a pullback, right? And if price pulls back, we could see price pull back depending on how price closes. I'm going to say tomorrow or Tuesday. If we get bullish evidence that price wants to continue up, price could go back up to 1.23391. However, it's the however part. If price this week continues bearish, okay, this is, I'm not going to be dropping down to no crazy time frames. If I have to drop down to a time frame to enter this trade, it's probably going to be the 12-hour, because now I'm at one of my daily estimation zones, right? So for me, I'm going to look on the 12 and 24-hour to see how price closes here and then make my trading decision. That way I'm not too wrapped up in the lower time frames and I have to come and be present in my chart when I may not be able to be this week. But if price passes 1.20368, then price could continue that bearish movement down, and that turns this green candlestick into an inside bar. So this is one of those trades, one of those times where I say be neutral and be patient. Don't be so hasty to get into a trade, right? And you just have to ask yourself, like, what type of trader am I this week? Based on what the market is giving me right now. Am I going to follow the current trend, 24-hour time frame and lower, what's going on right now? Price could be in a potential retracement move. Am I going to continue to buy back up, or am I going to continue to be a trend trader, wait to see if price wants to push past the lowest price at 1.20368, then I continue to be the seller? This is one of those things and times where you got to make up your mind decision, or maybe you don't do anything at all. Maybe you wait to see what's going to happen. Maybe you wait to see if price will even pass these highs. If you're a breakout trader, to see if price will continue. I'm a volatility trader, so I don't mind trading at the base. For me this week, I am going to be looking for a buy back up. Once again, not being too hasty to see if we're going to continue up, and maybe this is one that I hold for short term. and just see what happens. But if I don't get an entry, I'm not going to take the trade. But I'm grateful that I see this outcome. And I think that's one of the things that we have to be every time we see a potential trade. Be happy with the outcome, that with the potential that we see, be happy that we can see the potential outcome. And, we have to go opposite ways. The trade may work out great, it may not work out okay. Then we just change it, right? But this is potential. We'll see what will happen. But let me know in the comment section, what would you do? What is your methodology? What time frames would you trade this on? And let's just get the conversation started on pound USD. All right, I'll talk to you guys next video.